Hello.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Right. What's your name?
Aaron.
Bunny?
Aaron.
Oh, Aaron.
Yes.
Oh, are you good? Where are you from?
I'm from Soweto.
Oh, from Soweto.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Where in Soweto?
Snake Park, Mississippi.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Nice to see you.
Okay, thank
I
you.
see you have a kids.
Yeah.
You have children.
Yes, I have 5 children.
Oh, you have 5 children.
Yeah.
All right. Nice to see you.
Okay.
Right. My name is Ali Boy.
Okay.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, I see. So how many kids you have again?
Kids 5.
5.
Yes.
You married?
No, it's just divorce.
Oh, just divorced, but you stay with your children. Oh, I want you to count for me this month. Can you please count for me?
$1.3.
1.3.
Yes.
What are you going to do with that money?
I will add some grocer and buy something for me and even the kids at home.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, it's just help a lot. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you so much. I seriously appreciate it.
Okay, thank you.
And God bless you. And thank you for hustling for your children.
Okay.
I really appreciate it.
Okay.
My name is Ali Boy. I just love helping people.
Okay.
Right?
Thank you, sir.
Right. And I want you to.
Thanks.
Are you appreciating?
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
No problem. You can put it in your pocket. That's yours. Give me. Right?
Good to see you.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. I love this man.
Okay.
God bless you, man.
God bless you.
Together, man. Sure.